Hello friends, welcome to Alsmate. This video is in continuance to the previous video that I posted on the channel. In the video previous to this video, I posted an essay related to environment, and in that video, I covered BP1 intro and BP1 for this essay. Explain some of the ways in which humans are damaging the environment. What can government do to address this problem? What can individual person do? That was a sample of band 9 essay, and in this video I'm going to cover BP2 and conclusion part of the same essay. So if you want to watch the previous video first or want to watch the intro and the BP1, you can go to the video that has been posted previous to the video to this video. And if you find the essay interesting and want to learn how to make such essays yourself, you can WhatsApp on this number to know about the writing course I'm providing to the students. Thank you. So now continue watching BP2 and conclusion part. Now let's see the second BP. I have given again very simple idea of deforestation, but look at the explanation way for new students. Furthermore, deforestation can be regarded as another major contributing factor. Here earlier I started the paragraph with one major factor, one selling factor is increasing number of private vehicle. Here I have started my sentence with the factor itself, with the name of the factor itself. Deforestation can be regarded as another major contributor to the problem. Contributor obviously means that contributes to the problem, so you can say it's contributor to the problem. Then this was my topic sentence, means this sentence tells that the whole paragraph is about deforestation only. Then evidently means clearly. In order to satiate, I have explained that what deforestation is here. Satiate means satisfy. In order to satiate ever increasing demand of accommodations and to meet the other needs of growing population, in order to means I have started the sentence with a reason, means to do this. What happens, comma, we have to give comma only. In order to do this, what happens means to complete this purpose, what we do, the forested land is being cleared. It is passive voice, means clear की जा रही है. की जा रही है के लिए is MR being plus third form लगती है. The forested land is being cleared at an unprecedented rate. Unprecedented means that's something that have never happened before. If I'm talking that the about a rate, that the rate is unprecedented, it means the rate that never had been shown before. And if I'm saying that the problem is unprecedented, I'm saying that the problem is the intensity of the problem is like that it never happened before, like the intensity that had never been shown before. So unprecedented means never done or happened before. So this was my explanation, that first I introduced that I'm talking about deforestation. Then this is my explanation that in order to satiate ever increasing demand, obviously I've given the reason why people do deforestation or cut the trees. In order to satiate ever increasing demand of accommodations and to meet other needs of growing population, the forested land is being cleared. Instead of trees are cut, I have written forested land is being cleared. Obviously it means trees are cut at an unprecedented rate. Thus, curtailing down of trees, comma, the natural purifier. If I am giving this term natural trees, this term natural purifier after comma, it means I am giving the meaning of the trees. Look at the way trees, the natural purifier. It means I am describing the trees. Instead of saying which are the natural purifier, you can use this way also if we are describing a particular thing. So curtailing down of the trees, comma, the natural purifier of the atmosphere. Then we'll come to again completing the sentence. Curtailing down of the trees has this was only just the explanation of the tree. Thus curtailing down of the trees has exacerbated the issue. Earlier we used the word aggravated, it meant worsening the issue. Again exacerbated also means worsening the issue. So curtailing down of the trees has exacerbated the issue. Then I gave an example here also. For instance, according to a survey by Times News, about 4,000 acres of land was cleared, forested land, we'll take forested land here, was cleared to erect factories and residential buildings in the year 2010. So 4,000 acres of land was cleared, forested land was cleared to erect means to make stand. So for buildings we use this word to erect the buildings because buildings are always standing. So this is the example, and look, there is only one point, deforestation. I have introduced there in the topic sentence, then I explained that what happens in the supporting sentence, then I gave example also. Now let us come to solution B. However, the problem is not unsurmountable. Unsurmountable means if some problem cannot be solved, if something cannot be cured, if some disease cannot be cured or treated, we use this thing that it is unsurmountable, means we cannot solve it. Okay, but here I have written not, it means we can solve it. The problem is not unsurmountable and calls for certain efficacious remedial measures. Efficacious means effective. So the problem is not unsurmountable, and calls for means and needs or demands certain efficacious remedial measures. You can write it in every essay while giving the solutions. At first means first solution. I've given only two solutions, and those solutions are related to the problems I mentioned. One solution is on the part of the government and the other is on the part of the individuals, as it was asked in the question. At first, subsidizing environmental friendly technologies such as CNG vehicles and electronic vehicles. Now I have started the sentence with a verb, as I was saying earlier. Earlier two times I started the sentence with noun. Like I started with deforestation is major contributor. Deforestation is noun. Here the verb subsidize is verb, means subsidize करना. In हिंदी subsidize करना, environment friendly technologies को subsidize करना एक अच्छा step हो सकता है. Subsidize करना means to provide something. If the government provides fund for something, or either partly or fully, to cover the cost of it on the part of the public, on the behalf of the public, then it means the government is subsidizing the thing. Subsidizing environmental friendly technologies such as CNG vehicles and electronic vehicles means obviously these two vehicles do not cause pollution. Subsidizing environmental friendly technologies, and whenever we start the sentence with a verb we use ing. You cannot use subsidize environment friendly technology, that would be wrong. That would be like giving an order. Subsidize environment friendly, we'll say subsidizing environment friendly technologies such as CNG and vehicle can prove to be a massive step on the part of the government. Then I'll give the effect also. We don't have to just give the solution and leave it, we have to give the effect, what effect the solution will create. That will make people switch their preference to, or we can say that would, take would here because we can't be so sure. If we take will, it means we are sure. That would make people switch their preference to these eco-friendly alternatives. It means people will switch their preference obviously when government subsidize or pays a part of the cost of such vehicles, or government will try to, means we will purchase these vehicles in it will cause less pollution. So subsidizing environment friendly technology, like environment friendly vehicles or electronic vehicles can prove to be a massive step on the part of the government that would make people switch their preference to environment friendly alternatives. Additionally, individuals, my second problem was of deforestation. First problem was of private vehicles, so I gave the solution of vehicles, and then the problem was of deforestation, so I have simply said that people should plant trees. Individuals can also take initiative by planting trees in their surroundings whenever possible. Then I give the reason, as trees sequester carbon. Sequester means to separate it. Trees separate the carbon from the air, I want to say. So sequester carbon, अलग करना in Hindi. So trees sequester, trees sequester carbon, helping to remove कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मीन्स विच हेल्प्स टू रिमूव. वो कार्बन को अलग करते हैं जो कि हेल्प करता है उसको रिमूव करने में. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ विच हेल्प यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट हेल्पिंग टू रिमूव कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम एयर विच फिल्टर्स द एयर, जिससे कि एयर फिल्टर हो जाती है, विच फिल्टर्स द एयर. Now let us look at the conclusion. To sum up, now let's see carefully that how we sum up the two reasons in the conclusion. This is kind of particular format. I've given First, to sum up, we'll start with the problem: escalating the environmental degradation, escalating pace of environmental degradation, or you can say simply environmental degradation, seems to be the product of this and this. If I am writing product of A and B, it means it is the reason, or it means it is the, like we can say, it has been produced by these two problems, product of A and B. So you have to write, you have to give the problem, then we'll say this problem seems to be the product of A and B, means in these dashes we'll give the reason. So I have given two reasons in this line. Escalating means increasing pace of environmental degradation seems to be product of surging count of private vehicle, that was my first problem, and deforestation being done means जो कि की जा रही है to meet the need of the human civilization, deforestation to meet the need of human civilization. So this is the way you can sum up the reasons in every problem and solution essay. Then however, we'll write solutions are not unsurmountable. Now what students do, they just ignore summing up the reason in conclusion, they just start giving solutions only in conclusion. That is wrong. We have to just sum up the already given reasons and solutions, and we don't give new ideas also. Solutions are not implausible. Implausible means impossible. So I'm saying solutions are not impossible or not implausible. The situation can be turned, means we can turn the situation, or we can make a difference, or we can say a difference can be made in the situation. Then after writing this, if we have to give the solutions only, and only those solutions that we have already mentioned in the solution paragraph. If eco-friendly vehicles are promoted by the government, so if I said, I gave the solution that government should subsidize, so obviously subsidizing is a way of promotion. So if eco-friendly vehicles are promoted and afforestation is practiced, these are also passive voice कि अगर ऐसा किया जाए और ऐसा किया जाए. So in these sentences we also use is MR plus third form if this is done. If eco-friendly vehicles are promoted, and afforestation means planting the trees, it is opposite of deforestation, and afforestation is practiced on the part of the individuals. Thank you.